Making the ideas is the most important part in your entire YouTube sales funnel if you want to book consistent calls with your YouTube channel. And here is the thing. Most business owners overthink what they should be making videos about and they get into analysis paralysis and they will never make any videos at all. So they will be missing out the opportunity to book consistent sales calls for their business, which is YouTube in this case. So in this video, you will be getting a template by which you can ideate your YouTube videos more efficiently. And I'm Rohit. I help coaches, consultants, and service providers to scale their businesses by adding 10 to 15 pre-sale sales calls to their calendar only through organic content, specifically on YouTube. So let's get into it. So the first one is steal from your competitors and add your own views in it. So at first you have to literally steal the ideation from your own competitors in your space or from another competitors from adjacent markets, adjacent niches. For example, imagine yourself as a sales coach, and if you see something that has been posted by a business coach in their niche, so you have to take the ideation, take the concept discussed there, and you must modify it according to your niche. In this case, sales coach. So you must modify it according to your niche, and you must also want to add your own viewpoints in it so that you can differentiate your own contents from his contents, right? So this is the core concept here. You want to steal the content from another competitor or another creator in some other niches, adjacent markets, but not as a whole, not as a bundle, but only the ideation should be stolen from him, right? And getting into the second one, break down your offer into 8 to 10 distinctive steps they need to go through to get to the end results. You can break them down into 8 to 10 distinctive steps as mentioned: registering the business, market research, supplier research, building a store, etc. So these are the some of the concepts which are present in high ticket dropshipping, and they can be explained individually to your prospects, and you will never run out of ideas to post on YouTube. And here is a pro tip: you can literally get keep stuff from your prospects, from your audience, right? So, for example, market research or supplier research or building a store. So, if these are some of the core values that are offered by your coaching program, then you must get keep stuffs like these. And these are exactly the factors which will be useful to funnel the viewers into buying your coaching program later. And these are the 25 title formats that I have been talking about. You can screenshot it right now. I will be showing it on the screen. These ideas can be posted in any niche, in any industry that you are working. For example, if you are a dropshipper, the first title, the laziest way to result as niche. You have to frame this title into your YouTube videos by the laziest way to scale your business from zero to $4,000 a month as a dropshipper. So these are some of the ideations that can be made using these 25 ideas. So now you have the titles. That's the part most people skip. I'm not telling this in a random way because most of my prospects has used YouTube in their past and they has posted about 4 videos, and each video is coming up once for a month. So they have posted, they have tested YouTube, and they came to a conclusion. They expected the algorithm to send in clients organically, which it never was and never will. They has come to a conclusion that YouTube now works for a business or now works for their own business. But in reality, they never stood a chance for that. YouTube's algorithm takes some time. YouTube's algorithm picks up a pace by which it can distribute your contents more efficiently to your prospects, to your audience. But most of the prospects, most of my prospects, most of the coaches on YouTube will never give the enough time to distribute their contents to YouTube because it is usually 90 days. They will never post consistently for 90 days. For example, you must post 4 videos per month, at least 4 videos per month, which is weekly once, right? So you need to post 12 long form contents, which most coaches don't. So they will never give a chance for the YouTube's algorithm to pick up the pace that it needs, and they will blame YouTube's algorithm to not bringing in any clients organically. They have the titles, they just sit down to film, and suddenly they don't know what to say. The video goes nowhere, and it never actually books a call. The title get clicks, the video doesn't convert. The gap costs you clients every single week. For example, if your video has a very good title, has a very good SEO score, but you don't have the expertise enough, or if you don't have the value enough to give away to people, to give away to your audience, they will never going to watch. Your retention will be getting stalled. And if you don't have the editing to back up those value that you are giving to people, again, your retention will be stalled because nobody is going to watch a unedited raw footage video, right? So these are the kind of videos that will never convert into your actual paying clients for your coaching business. That's the exact problem that we are solving at GrowWise. You just film, we handle everything. For example, scripting, ideations, edit, thumbnail, upload, search engine optimization. Our clients will be booking 10 to 30 qualified sales calls for a month from YouTube without spending a single dollar on ads. So you will be getting 10 to 30 qualified book calls only through organic views coming from long form video contents on YouTube. And if you want to get access to the document that you are seeing in my screen, just check the description I have pinned there. And along with that, I've also pinned another document which explains how you can implement these exact ideations into your business right now. Please check it out.